Hey guys, how you doing today? We're coming back to you from Mummert Y Block, and we're here with our video on our OEM aluminum timing cover. This timing cover is compatible with cars and trucks from 1955 to 1964. One note is that 1955 and 1956 passenger cars will need the front steady rest deleted. And this isn't really a big deal because in 1957, Ford dropped the steady rest from production anyway on the passenger cars. So, like I said before, it is an OEM replacement. So, oil pan, front seal, water pump, fuel pump, all that is the same as your iron unit. Now, aside from looking amazing, you want to know what it weighs. So, this timing cover comes in right around 8 pounds. And that's a 9-pound weight savings over your iron unit. So now we have to put our disclaimer in. On 1954 models, this timing cover will physically bolt onto the block, but a lot of the things on the front of the timing cover were different. Water pumps, fuel pumps, I believe the generator mount, possibly the harmonic balancer, were all different in the 1954 model year. So if you're trying to use this on an older 1954, just be aware that you're going to have to basically modernize, and you're going to have to make a lot of changes to get it up to the 55 and later spec. So like a lot of the parts we sell, this is a very specialty part. We do typically only do about one production run a year. So the best thing I can tell you about that is just be proactive. If you have a project, if you're doing an engine build, if you know you want one of these, call and get on the list, because as we get them made, the first people we call are the people who have been on the list the longest. Sometimes we do have them in stock. We do have a few in the shop right now, but as typical, if there's a list, sometimes they go pretty quick and then the list starts again. So anyway, just wanted to give you that hint, or helpful hint. And if you like this video, hit like, subscribe. We will be doing more product reviews. We will be doing some tech videos here in the future. And anyway, have a great day. Never forget to go to FordYBlock.com. Check that out. Don't be afraid to peek your head in at Y-Block's Forever Forum or some of the good sites on Facebook. There's Y-Block's Rule. There's Ford Y-Block over there. So check those out too. All right, man. Have a good day and see ya.